Hey everyone, this is Stuart from 3 Dogs and an RV, and today we're doing a campground review of the KOA Holiday in East Sparta, Ohio, right after this. Hey everyone, this is Stuart from 3 Dogs and an RV, and welcome to our new campground tour of the KOA Holiday in East Sparta, Ohio. 15 minutes drive south of Canton on Interstate 77. What a great little campground tucked away in the middle of Ohio. Well, not in the middle of Ohio, but tucked away south of Canton. What a hidden gem this KOA Holiday is. We're gonna go check it out and show you some of the sights of this KOA Holiday. All right, our first stop on our tour is this great little mini putt course. It's one of the KOAs, one of the only KOAs I stayed at this summer that had a mini putt course. So, gotta get out here, play some golf. If you can't get to the rail course, come play some mini putt. It's great. And you know, by the time I'm recording this video on October the 10th, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is hot out here. It's gotta be in the 80s today for October the 10th. Can't ask for a better day. Of course, recording this, it is the Canadian Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all my friends back home. By the time I air this on our YouTube channel, it's going to be probably into November, so happy belated Thanksgiving. And yeah, it's a beautiful day on October the 10th, and I am going to go walk around, see if I can knock off some of this extra weight I've been putting on over the last few days too, as we've been driving around. Actually, probably the last couple weeks, as we've been through this whole journey of replacing our bounder with our Thor. Tell you, it's been a crazy couple weeks, but here, we're gonna go carry on with our tour of the KOA Holiday in East Sparta, Ohio, 15 minutes south of Canton, Ohio. This KOA Holiday comes with a number of tenting sites as well. And you can see the tenting sites are well laid out, fire pits. Some even have power, which is great for a tent. But yeah, some great tenting sites here for those who want to have a pitch a tent. There is a couple of folks here with tents set up, so taking advantage of the beautiful weather to enjoy some tent camping. And they also have the stereotypical KOA cabin. This one looks like to be in a little bit better shape than some of the other ones we've seen lately. So let's go have a poke around the front and see what it looks like. That's the pool over there. Of course, it is closed for the season since it is October the 10th. When we were here earlier in July of this year, the pool was open and it was great to go down there and have a swim. So a little bit of a hike to get there, but well worth it. And during the summer, they had some events here, karaoke and different types of things going on in this pavilion here. So a little stage and some stuff. Yeah, karaoke, I know for sure. Looks like they had some ice cream here in the summertime. So yeah, a lot of events happen here on the weekends, and we got to take part in a couple of them when we were here in July. So yeah, this little pavilion, lots of events happen here. So this KOA has a number of different sections. This section here is an elevated section, and you can see it goes up the hill, and there's different sites as you go up the hill. We were up in one of these sites last time we were here. Of course, today we were further down below. We'll show our site as we go down on the tour here. But yeah, some great pull-through sites and some back-end sites. And you know, for October 10th, it's still fairly busy here. So I'm gonna keep on with our tour and show you around the different parts of this wonderful KOA Holiday here in East Sparta, Ohio. You can also see that the fall colors are coming in, which is beautiful. Lots of leaves on the ground. We've got some coniferous trees and mixture of regular, you know, I call them seasonal trees, the ones that change their colors. Not all of them have changed colors yet, but some of them are starting to, which is very, 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 very nice. A beautiful sign of fall or autumn here in Ohio. And here is the one going with some red colors and crimson leaves changing color. So fall is definitely here, but you can't tell today. It's 80 degrees, so no complaints at all. So site 30 right here, the empty one, is where we stayed last time we were here. Beautiful site. Nice back end site. We had the bounder last time, so we were able to get in. We would never get in with the Thor this time. But yeah, you can see here, beautiful site. Beautiful location, nice campground. And of course, it's all kinds of great rigs parked here as well. Okay, I'm gonna guess that this section is more for seasonal people, since there are decks, propane canisters, all that stuff here set up for all the people with their RVs and fifth wheels and stuff here. So it looks like more permanent seasonal type folks down on this section. So this section here is fairly new. I think it was getting constructed when we were here last. So they have concrete pads for their guests, and you see some people got some kennels up and things like that. So yeah, some people like making it home here at the KOA in East Sparta, Ohio. All right, I hope you enjoyed our tour of the KOA here, the KOA Holiday here in East Sparta, Ohio. Like I said, it's about a 15-minute drive down Interstate 77 from Canton. Lots of things to see and do in Canton. This summer we went to the Pro Football Hall of Fame. We have some friends, great friends 10 minutes from here, and we went and saw them and had a great night with them at their place. So lots of things to do here in this part of Ohio. Go and check it out. I think there's all kinds of activities here too. I haven't taken the activities like horseback riding and things like that. There's a bee flying around every time you want to get on a video. Anyway, here we're back at our Venetian, and we're gonna go get ready. Bills and Chiefs tonight. Hopefully we ran into a Chiefs fan on our tour, and we're gonna see how that game goes. But can't ask for a better Sunday on the 10th of October than we have today. I am drenched, I'm sweating because it's so hot. I'm gonna go have myself a nice drink, and hope you enjoyed this tour, and we'll see you again on future campground tours and future shows here of the Three Dogs in RV YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy what Missy and I and the three doggies are doing as we live this life of working on the road and enjoying everything from this Thor Venetian motorhome. And we'll see you on the future Three Dogs in an RV. Cue the music.